Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone. This is Nancy's equipment from VA. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. And we want to run through a little bit about what we need to do. Now, we're going to start a conversion on this unit, and we want to install a modular line port. That way you can simply use any length line cord, any color that you choose, plug right into the modular line port, makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We also want to troubleshoot our transmitter, our receiver, our handset security cable, our hook switch, our network, our wiring block, and our contact points. Now this payphone is a little older than some of the 3-slot payphones because it has what's known as an open slot coin return. Later on, they had the bucket that you would pull down and retrieve the coins from. So that's a plus. That's really cool. Now we can hear some coins in the vault area, and the key is missing. So we need to rekey a key to that vault lock. The front cover is missing its lock, so we want to replace that lock with an aftermarket cover lock. We also have a really cool informational front cover sign, so that's a plus. We want to go through the rotary. We want to make sure that that is working properly. And in the bag of parts here that we have that came in with the unit, we have a dial center card with a number on that dial center. We want to reinstall that onto the finger wheel. We want to go through the coin validator. We want to make sure our coins are falling down through the coin validator. The nickels will ring the bell 1 time. A dime will ring the bell 2 times. And a quarter will hit the gong. And we want to make sure that the coins are falling down into the vault area properly. We want to go ahead and get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this really cool 3-slot payphone, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on. We've accessed the vault area, and we're going to show what was in the vault, but we also located a lock and a key for the vault area, and the original lock that was in it is not an original lock. It would have been a 10L, and we could not locate any key stock to rekey a key for this lock, so we went ahead and located a key and a lock for the unit. So we're going to install that on the vault door. Now the vault itself, when we opened it up, had some paperwork in the vault area, and we'll return that with the payphone. We also have another piece of paper with some information on it, and basically it just pertains to the 3-slot payphone. And we also found a plate for a round jack, which is not really needed, and then some change, probably a couple of dollars worth of change that was in the unit. And so that's where we're at this point. Now we're working on the bell. We're also installed a modular port for the line cord, so you can simply use any length, any color line cord that you choose, plug right in to that line port. Makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We've also installed our dial center ring and card that the payphone came in with. So We're going to go ahead and finish up some of this work. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this 3-slot payphone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this really cool 3-slot payphone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, we want to start out with a T1. This is the transmitter that would be in the handset, and they're carbon granules that are inside this transmitter. And when they get some age on them or they start to go bad, they start sounding like a static sensation and they become noisy, and that's when you want to replace them. And since this one is bad, it was replaced. We're going to set that to the side. It is of no use to us. Now, we also want to talk about the front cover lock. That's an aftermarket lock that was installed, but all covers on all 3-slot payphones are spring loaded. There's a spring back at the backboard, and it's so that the cover does not slide back and forth, and it keeps it tight. So when opening and closing a 3-slot payphone, you want to take the cover and push in down by the lock, and that takes the tension off the lock, and you can turn it a quarter turn, and then your cover, you can remove it. When you go to put the cover back on, you want to go ahead and push in and turn counterclockwise, and that will lock the payphone up. Now we can set the keys to the side. The vault lock was replaced with the lock and a key that fits it. So we want to go ahead and open up that vault area. And we have our cash box in the payphone, and we want to run some change through the unit. Now we're going to start out with a quarter, and that's going to gong when it falls down through the coin validator into the cash box. We're going to do a dime. That's going to ring the bell twice. We'll do a nickel. That rings the bell one time. We're going to do a quarter. That's going to gong. The dime will be 2 bell rings. And one last nickel, and that will be 1 bell ring. We're also going to do a still picture of the modular line port that was installed so that you can simply plug in any length, any color line cord you choose right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, you may see a little white cord that we have coming from the payphone itself, and that's a pickup. It's like this pickup right here. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver, and we just have it taped on the back of the backboard of the payphone by the network, and that's picking up the audio as we're checking out our payphone. And I have an amplifier back by the video. I can push a button on that amplifier and give dial tone or take it away at any time. So now what we want to do is we want to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll go ahead and start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we can do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Good evening. Today is Thursday, November 10th. The time is 7:36. Current temperature 50 degrees.
Sunny today, highs in upper 60s. Clear tonight, lows in the mid-40s. Mostly sunny on Friday, highs around 60.
We can hang our unit up. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Nancy and she can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.